What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon, crypto universe. Today is Thursday, December 28th. Now, in today's video, I want to talk about what's going on with BONK, because today I'm actually going to be talking about that I am actually buying BONK. Now, why am I buying BONK, and what price target am I going to be buying BONK? Now, I did make in one of my previous videos, which I put in the upper right hand side, of when I decided to sell my BONK. And guess what? It was at the point that this price was around 1.8, and it's down over 27% over the past 7 days, and over the past 20 hours, 7%. We're going to be talking about why the price is possibly dumping. So go ahead and watch this video throughout its entirety, and also stick around to the very end to hear my conclusion and statement, because you need to know when I'm actually buying into this token at what price point. So with that said, as always, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to join our Patreon page, and most importantly, please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I will never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email, so please be careful and invest safely. So guys and girls, let's get right into it. So as you can see, the market cap is roughly around $834 million. This used to be around over $900 to even almost $1 billion not too long ago. So it's taken a massive liquidation event. Now, why is this price taking a dump? Well, obviously there's probably one factor, and that's mainly because Solana has actually dropped in price. Solana used to be at around 125, has gone down a lot over the past 24 hours, roughly 9%. So now it's down $99. And guess what? BNB, or also known as Binance cryptocurrency, or the token, it's actually flipped Solana. What's really interesting is that Solana has been kind of holding around the $42 billion range. BNB out of nowhere gained $10 billion. Okay, this token used to be at around $40 billion. And this is crazy because over the past 7 days is up 23%. But what's another factor why BONK has taken a dip? Well, I did mention in our Patreon page just 4 days ago that maybe the reason, one of the factors of this token going down in price, other than Solana going down in price, is because the BONK team decided to airdrop a ton of people for the holidays during Christmas week their BONK tokens. A lot of them received $7,000 worth of BONK tokens, $3,000 worth of BONK tokens. Everybody had different ranges, right? And it can kind of add up all together, possibly in the million or even multi-millions, right? But again, is that enough to liquidate the BONK market cap? Not so much, but again, people can see a cascading effect. If some people see other people selling off, then other people will sell their portfolio. So that can send a lot of fear into the markets. But again, we want to get straight into the nitty gritty. What price target are we actually going to be buying BONK? So let's go and go over to TradingView. So as you can see, we are well below the Fibonacci retracement. Remember in the last video that I brought up, we saw a short signal. That means that there is going to be a sell signal, and we're going to go to the downside. And I did mention in that previous video, and also in that Patreon post 4 days ago, that we were going to be hitting down to around 1.4. This is exactly the target that we hit. And in fact, actually went past that, and is right now kind of hovering below the resistance level of around 1.4. Is no longer a support. So right now we're even seeing the relative strength index even go to the downside. Now we're in the oversold territory. Now I just want to go ahead and zoom back in the past. When was the last time we were actually down here at this point? Well, if we go back here to around October 12th, that was the last time that we saw downside. So this to me right now is a buy signal, because right now we're oversold at this territory, and now we're back here at the oversold territory again. So right now the price target that I'm actually going to share with you today is that my price target to actually buy back into the BONK token is around 1.0, which is right here. The reason I think it could go down that way is because right now I don't see much buying volume. Now it doesn't matter, there could be actually buying volume coming up, because right now we have a little green candlestick, and we could see another buy signal right here. But again, I'm not actually sure. So right now, that's the only time I'm actually going to buy in. Right here is around 1.0. And guess what? If it does decide to pump, don't worry. I'm not going to actually buy in. I don't feel like I missed out, because I already have some of my allocation to this token. Now, if you had already been to our Patreon page, you would have known that I sold 50% of my portfolio of BONK right around here, around 1.8. And guess what? We definitely did a great job taking profit there, because we would have lost a lot of money. So now I have a different strategy of when to buy back in. So yes, this is my target to buy back in, but if you join our Patreon page down the link below, you'll find out how much we're going to buy back in. This is the important part about strategy, about entering and exiting a token. So if you haven't already, join our Patreon page down below to understand how to trade this token. Because again, we try to warn people that there was a sell-off event right here, and this was posted just 13 hours ago. So you could get some heads up in terms of what the price volatility is going to be. So again, this is a really short, concise video. As a conclusion and statement, I don't think BONK token is going anywhere. This token is one of 3 meme tokens listed on Coinbase, a major US exchange. This is not going to be one of those coins that's just going to fade away. I do believe even to this day that BONK token is going to flip Shiba Inu at one point or another in terms of its market cap. Remember, we've covered on our channel before how long it took for Shiba Inu and Dogecoin to basically bull rally after its dip. Some of those range from like 10 days, 16 days, even for Dogecoin 2 months, which was a very long time. So again, these tokens like BONK is not going anywhere. So that's to me my conclusion and statement, my thoughts, but I want to hear your strategy. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions down in the comments below, because that will also help other people who view this channel and this video, maybe gives them some good insight on how to invest, exit, enter, whatever, take profit on this token, because your comments do help everybody on this channel. So with that said, as always, if you want to get all the updates on a timely manner regarding BONK, and you want to stay up to date with everything happening with the BONK token, you need to smash the like button, and most importantly, you have to join our Patreon page to receive all of our alpha calls regarding the meme coin BONK. Until then, see you guys girls next time.